Hello everyone, welcome to RMDTRADER channel, your gateway to the markets. In this video, we're going to show you how quick and simple it is to register and open an account at RMDTRADER. You can literally do it in 10 minutes. But before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We will be putting out a lot of content that you will be able to use and implement into your trading strategy. Information that will help you become a better and more consistent trader. But let's get into it. Open your internet browser and type in our website address www.rmdtrader.com. Click on the login or register red label in the top right-hand corner. On the next login or register screen, click on either one of the register buttons. You can find them here or here. You will then see the live sign-up form to complete with your personal details, including your email address, country of residence, etc. Please note that your password has to be at least 8 characters long. Once you have entered all your details and read the terms and conditions, you can tick the box and click on the Register Now button. You will need to verify the email address by accessing your email inbox, opening the email received, and click on the Confirm Email button. Congratulations, you are now registered with RMDTRADER. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any thoughts or suggestions of other videos you would like to see. We would love to hear from you. Remember to subscribe. We will be creating quick tips, testimonials from some of our clients, and interviews with thought leaders in future videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, trade smart, trade successful.